So, hello everyone. We have done some sums from exercise 2.2. Another one or two sums from that exercise I will take the quadratic equations. Number one, which exercise 2.2. Exercise 2.2. In that question 8, 3x square minus 2 root 6x plus 2 is equal to 0. It is the same sum as we have solved the last. Now here also 3 and 2, I have to multiply these two, that is 6. 2 into 3 equal to 6. Now what I have to say is find the factors of 6 such that their addition is minus 2 root 6. This way I will go. These two factors I have to find and such that their addition would be minus 2 root 6. Addition I want, that means the two factors I have to find, they should have the same signs. So 6, 2 root 6. So addition should be this. So root 6 into root 6 is equal to 6. If I add this root 6 plus root 6, that is equal to 2 root 6. But I want it negative. Same signs means minus, this also minus, and this will become minus 2 root 6. Minus 1 root 6 minus 1 root 6, that will be equal to minus 2 root 6. So, my factors are ready. Therefore, 3x square, this factor minus 6 root x, next factor x. Now this way the middle term has been splitted. Plus 2 is equal to 0. Now I will make the two groups. Now here, what is the common factor that I have to search? So that both the factors should be same. This is minus root 6 minus root 6 x. This 3 means if I write root 3 into root 3, it will be 3. For this 3, I will write root 3 into root 3. So, I will write this root 3 into root 3. That means 3 minus this root 6 is nothing but root 3 into root 2 and this x minus this 6 I will write root 3 into root 2 and x. Now as there is root 2, this also I will put in the root plus root 2 into root 2, that is equal to 0. Now check this, root 3 into root 3 is 3. Root 6 means root 3 into root 2. This root 6 means root 3 into root 2. And this 2 is nothing but root 2 into root 2, because root 2 into root 2 is root 4 and root 4 is 2. Now I will make the two groups and find what is common. Here x square is remaining, x square. I will write it properly, root 3 into root 3 x square, and this is minus. Now what is common? Here in this root 3 is there, here also root 3 is there, and this is x into x, this is into x, so x is also common and root 3 also common. Therefore root 3 and x is common. Common is where we have to find in this also and in this also. So root 3 and x is common. So 1 root 3 is taken out, so this will remain a root 3. There where x into x, 1x is taken, so x will remain. Don't forget to write this x outside the root side. Minus. Now root 3 is taken, x is taken, so root 2 will remain. Root 2 minus. Now what I can take? Root 2 and root 2. So root 2 I will take. What is remaining? Root 3x. This minus is taken, so this will become minus. 1 root 2 is taken, so only root 2 will remain, and that is equal to 0. Therefore, next will be this and this is same. Therefore, root 3x minus root 3 root 2 into another bracket root 3x minus root 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, naturally this is the perfect square of this. Therefore, root 3x minus root 2 is equal to 0, or root 3x minus root 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, root 3x, I will straightway in a single step I will solve. Therefore, x is equal to, this minus will become plus over there root 2. This into become upon, or here also x is equal to, this minus will become root 2 and this will become upon root 3. Now see, I have got two values, but both the values are same. So don't write twice. Therefore, answer x is equal to, take a single radical sign, 2 upon 3 the whole root. So this is the answer. So if I ask you a question, what is the value of the discriminant? So you might have got the answer. Discriminant delta means b square minus 4ac. For this question would be 0. This question may come for that also. Discuss the nature of the roots. So this is over, this sum is over. And this factorization method, that is also over. Now do the proper practice. Plan weekly how many hours you have to give for mathematics. Not only that you are going always doing mathematics and getting less marks in the